Back to Grandpa's time. Hey, grandkids. Today I'm changing my smoke detector batteries. It's December. I usually wait till the very end of the year, but I'm thinking about it today, so I'm going to get them changed. You should change them annually, every year. Okay? So here we go. Okay, at least on this one it's pretty easy. Just open it up, remove the old battery, put the new battery in, and then I just push test. That's it. Okay, well, it only took about 10 minutes, and all I needed was a step stool and some new batteries. So that's it. Thanks for watching.